Hello passionate gardener. Today I'm going to show you how I have done these massive strawberry plants. You can see how big the plants are. Lot of fruits. It's in all plants. You can see a lot of fruits coming up and lot of flowers already as well. So you can see like probably I have 50 to 100 flowers in this single one plant. Definitely more than 50. So how I have done that, I'm going to share this with you today. So do you know how the strawberry name came up? It's from the straw. So straw is a base, is very key for your strawberry plants. That help retain moisture, reduce the weeds. That's very key to remember. So I done the straw under this strawberry plants around February when the growth start kicking up, and that give me the booster for the plants to keep the water under it and reduce the watering. Water regularly, that means every week once or twice I had to give water depending on weather condition. If it is too hot, I give twice. If it is not that much hot in the weather, I give once watering. Fertilizer was also very important at the time of February, because the growth start around March. So end of February I give balanced fertilizer, because that moment the growth is important. And then we need phosphate fertilizer on the mid of April. That encourages the fruit and root growth. So you can see how strawberry plants and strawberries are looks is very big. You can see some of my strawberries are by eaten. That's why I have done another extra trick that I have done this today. Just cover this with netting to save the strawberry plants from birds, because birds like strawberries and you have to cover them properly so that birds are not going to eat your strawberries. So you can see how the healthy plants are, lot of flowers, lot of fruits going to happen. Other thing I have done, important tips, is like I remove some of the flowers, not like probably around 5 to 10% of the flowers, to keep the energy within the plant and produce bigger fruit. Because if I let all the fruits grow on the single plant, it's going to be small fruits. I want bigger fruits. That's why I remove some of the flowers to let the fruit bigger. Other thing to remember is like make sure you pick up the strawberries as soon as they start red or they are red. Don't let them in the plant, because otherwise the rats, squirrels going to come and eat them, and once they got the taste, they'll keep coming and eating your plant. So this is all about the strawberry plants growing. Keep doing it. And also I'm still giving fertilizer every 10 to 15 days. 15 days I would be appropriate. That's tomato fertilizer. That encourages more fruits, more growth, and that's another key to remember. So hope this video is going to be helpful. If it does, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I keep share videos about strawberries. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening, passionate gardener.